Hey guys, today I wanted to show off some 3D printed 135 scale World War II tanks. I made these at home on my Prusa mini printer. The file for printing can be found on Thingiverse. I'll post a link in the description. Oops. I think they came out pretty well. And I made these to go with my 132 scale and 135 scale plastic soldiers. So here's a Panzer III. Next up, I'll show you an M4 Sherman. Here's the M4. Again, it's a Bergman model, found freely on Thingiverse. Turret comes out. It's a nice M4 Sherman. I'm very happy with the results. And of course, it printed blue. I used blue plastic and primed it green. Next up, an M3 Stewart. And once again, it's a Bergman model, found freely on Thingiverse. I'm very pleased with this one. I like it a lot. Finally, a German Stoog. The Germans produced more Stoogs in World War II than they did any other armored fighting vehicle. Now, as you can see here, there's a line. That's because at this scale, I could not get that to fit entirely on my printer. So I had to slice it in half using 3D Builder software and print it in two halves. Still, I'm happy with the results. And this will work well for my uses. Which is, I set my soldiers up and outside in natural daylight and sometimes in my little, what I call my combat dirt box. And I use that for my quote unquote combat photography or toy photography. Anyway, 3D printing is a great tool. And again, this is a Bergman file, which is freely found on Thingiverse. Thank you for watching. Oh, one more thing. Let me show a toy soldier alongside these tanks. There is a classic old army man toy soldier. I've painted him up. I printed him a backpack. I added some other accoutrements to him. Grenade there, that pocket. Those were cutoffs from other plastic soldiers. Maybe they had a missing arm or something, or bent, or wasn't that great of a model, but I could use the bits. So I cut those pieces off and attached them to him. So here we can see a size comparison. And since he's an American model, let me get one of the American tanks out and show you next to him. And finally, back with the Stewart. As you know, the Stewart was a smaller tank, an early war tank. You may be able to hear the noise in the background. That's the printer running. Okay, well, once again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.